Wondering which metrics actually matter in your Facebook ads reports? Here's a quick guide to key performance metrics you should track. First, you got a CPM or cost per thousand impressions, shows how much you're paying to reach people. A higher CPM can mean your audience is too small or your targeting is too competitive. CTR or click through rate measures how many people clicked your ad after seeing it. A low CTR usually means your creative or messaging isn't catching attention. CPC or cost per click means tells you how much you pay each time someone clicks. Like lower CPCs are better, but always look at it alongside conversion rates. Cheap clicks don't help if they don't convert. CPA or cost per action, that's how you is like it's also like one of the most important metrics. So it shows you how much you're spending to get a purchase, lead, or other goal. The lower you got your CPA, the more efficient your ads are. Then you have is ROAS, which also means return on ad spend. Tells you how much revenue you earn from every dollar you spend. So if you have a ROAS about $1, it means you're making more than you spend. But most e-commerce businesses aim for at least 3 or 4. So finally, watch your frequency metric. It shows how often the same person sees your ad. High frequency can lead to ad fatigue and worse results. Keep an eye on those metrics and you will know exactly what's working in your campaigns. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like to help analyzing your ad performance.